Okay, YouTube, this is Come and Take It. I'm still building the chicken tractor. As you can see, I have my 5-foot sections of PVC pipe, 1-inch diameter PVC pipe. And you can look on there, you'll see it says somewhere on here, it says 1 inch. Here, right there, 1 inch. Schedule 40. Okay. Next one is 3-foot sections right here of 1 inch. 2-foot sections of 1 inch. And these are the various adapting end pieces I need. 4 ways. See how it's going out, in a 1, 2, 3, 4 90-degree angles. Okay. I have some elbows, which are the same as these right here. These are elbows right here. Elbows, 90 degrees. 3-way elbows. Okay, 4-way elbows, 3-way elbows, 2-way elbows, and basic T's. And I've got 1-foot sections here for some of the doors, I think. Okay, so I remember the plan in my head. Let's get to work. 5 foot wide. 5 foot wide. 5 foot wide. 3 foot in between. Right? How am I going to connect these 3 right here? That. Well, the 3 that are connected on the front are going to need a 3-way T. Okay? 3-way T on the front edge. Watch what I do. That's a 5-footer, 3-footer, 2-footer. Okay, same thing on the other end. You have a 3-way elbow, you have a 2-footer. Okay, it's like a big puzzle. Okay, now we need a 3-footer for this right here. Now some people use glue on these. I don't think glue is such a good idea. Why? Because the glue could be poisonous to the chickens. Maybe they'll eat it or something, or it'll get on their skin and it'll cause them to die. And as you know, we already lost a couple chickens. I don't want more chickens dying. So I'm going to make another end just like this one. 2 2-footers. Okay. I'm going to get a 5-footer and put it in between. Now, as you notice, I'm not hammering them together right now. I'm just gently placing them together because I'll do all the hammering after everything's been put together and the shape is correct. I'm going to take 2 3-footers. And now we have both ends. Okay, see how it's coming together? I'm going to take 2 more elbows, 3 ways. There's an official name for these 3 ways. I don't know what the name is. There's an official name for 4 ways. There's an official name for the T's. Those are T's, I know that. And there's an official way for the, and I know those are 90-degree elbows. 90-degree elbows, that's obvious. 3 ways, I'm not sure what the name is for that. 4 ways, I'm not sure what the name is. But again, T, that's a T. Okay, so we need to put this right here. This one right here. And we're going to take this 5-footer right here. Now you'll probably see why I didn't tighten everything up with a hammer yet. Because it's crooked, see? And I'm going to take 2 more 3-foot sections right here. Don't worry, I'm going to clean it off when I'm done. It's all dirty now because we have mud on the ground from yesterday's storms. Okay. Now, do the same thing on that end. Get two more three-ways. Take a 5-footer, put it between. Take 2 3-footers. Okay, now you can see I have 2 sections. Now I have to get 2 more sections. Okay, I'm gonna lay these over like this. Okay. Now I'm basically making 2 more walls with 3-foot sections in between. So I'm going to use some of these 4-ways. What should I do? Put one there. Put one there. 4-ways on this end. Here. Here. And I put a couple 2-footers between those. Here. Now, who can tell me what size goes here? That's right, 5-footers. Good guess. Now you see why I didn't hammer anything together yet? Got to put everything together loosely. Squawk, squawk, squawk. Help, I'm a chicken. I can't get out of my chicken trap. Oh, squawk, 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 squawk. Someone's got to laugh at that. Okay. On the other end, I'm going to do the same thing. Oop. Come on, someone laugh at that joke I just made. Physical humor. Okay, now, what size goes between these 2? Come on, guess. All I have left is 3-footers and 5-footers. That's right, 5-footers. Oh crap, it's falling apart. Okay, now all I've got to do is take 4 more 3-footers and connect these together so you make one big chicken tractor. Oh, it's falling apart because I did not connect anything yet. Really hardly. I didn't put any effort into the connection, I just put it gently there. Connected, so. Okay, move these out of the way. 3-footers. Some of you are beginning to see what this looks like right now. You're using your imagination, your strength of inductive and deductive reasoning. Some of you are using your heuristical knowledge in order to extrapolate what this will look like. Ah, there we go. Oh, I've got to fix that side. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make two doors here. One here, which is going to be halfway and it's going to fold up. Okay, which means I need to add another piece from here to here. So that'll mean 2 3-ways that I'll need, one on each end. Put the bar in the middle so it goes across. Means I have to cut this and I have to cut that. But first I'm going to make the door so I know exactly how far to cut. Then on this end I'm going to make a small door that we can use to let the chickens in and out. Okay, next step also is I'm going to cover this with chicken wire. It's called hardware cloth. It's over here. Let me go get it. This is hardware cloth. 24 inches tall, 10 feet long, 1/2 inch holes. You see the holes? 1/2 inch. Made out of welded material, so it's pretty strong. Birds, snakes, birds and chickens. Birds won't be able to get in to hurt the chickens. The chickens won't be able to get out. And foxes and raccoons and various other chicken predators will not be able to get in. Okay, so you can see why I got a 2-foot roll, right? Just look at this. All the way around. And over there I have a 50-foot roll, which I'm going to use for the rest, okay? So, I'm going to put this on pause, upload it, and then I'm going to come back later when I have the doors ready to go. Okay, thank you very much, YouTube.